Have cellular coverage problems? Cel-Fi can help. Introducing the Cel-Fi GO Indoor-Outdoor Cellular Coverage Solution, the latest innovation to the Cel-Fi product line. Cel-Fi GO has versions available for most network operators in the world, and for either mobile or stationary applications. Cel-Fi GO is simple to install, the highest performing and most powerful booster in its class. Cel-Fi GO supports voice and data, 3G and 4G LTE, including VoLTE. GO systems are unconditionally network safe and carrier friendly. The Cel-Fi GO is designed to be tough. It is weather resistant and able to withstand harsh conditions, including exposure to dust and water. GO mobile systems enhance cellular coverage when on the move, producing up to 70 decibels of gain in mobile use. Kits are available that include mobile antennas and can support several antenna configurations for a variety of mobile applications. The mobile version is ideal for trucks, RVs, boats, fleets, or public safety applications. The stationary version was designed to bring cellular coverage to difficult places, such as structures with thick walls and cellular blocking materials, common in newly constructed or leased buildings, or even underground locations. Producing up to 100 decibels, Cel-Fi GO uses standard antenna connectors and supports a number of antenna configurations to enable a variety of stationary applications. This multi-carrier solution is ideal for use in commercial properties, government buildings, agricultural settings, small manufacturing operations, rural areas, and businesses. The Cel-Fi Wave smartphone app provides an expanded user interface for the product and can assist users with setup, antenna pointing, and troubleshooting. Cel-Fi GO coverage products are easy to install, network safe, durable, and designed to improve cellular coverage wherever it is needed, even on the go.